na yung presence ninyo. Una, educational but even for psychological, spiritual aspect na naiambag kayo because of series natin na partnership. Last year, nandito ka. Ngayon, nandito naman. Yung mga wisdom na ibigay ninyo sa amin, malaking tulong talaga. On time, we have our meeting sa aming faculty and staff. Nagkaroon ng votation kung sino ang magiging facilitator natin for another year. Walang iba, walang name na na-mention, ang iyong pangalan lang. So, pang-international yung ating team building and hopefully sa darating pa na mga taon, still marami pa tayong mga partnership na i-build your lectures as well as yung mga out of this world na mga lectures na hindi natin makikita sa ibang facilitator. Thank you so much for your help, Dr. Jason. God bless you.
Nagkakaroon ng unity at importante yon para magawa namin yung trabaho namin ng maayos. So,
to any company na magsagawa ng team building na ito, they're the best facilitators. Na-enjoy ng mga empleyado namin and kasi last year sila, ngayon sila pa rin. Napakaganda kasi maraming insights na nakuha, maraming lessons.
Great teacher. I love the fact that he presented what he had done to the community. That's always good. That's always good for the soul. Thank you very much, Coach.
Thank you, sir.
Looking forward to meeting you again. Hopefully soon we have another training session for you.
hindi siya boring kasi daming games. And maghapon siguro parang alive lang. Even though, yun nga, medyo mainit yung mga ibang activities. All in all naman, okay, nag-enjoy. Coach Jay, thank you so much. We really appreciate na ikaw yung naging facilitator namin. No dull moments. Kumbaga, all in all, job. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Julie from Sales Department. Well, ang masasabi ko lang this activity, so is marami akong eye-opener. Yes, lalo na sa mga changes, lalo na kung paano i-treat yung other people. Happy! Sobrang happy. Lalo ko pang nakilala yung iba kong ka-work.
Po yung team building is napakagandang experience para sa amin sa members ng Aviation Command ng Coast Guard. Itong nangyaring team building natin is nakita naman natin na nag-enjoy ang bawat isa. Maganda po yung facilities and organizers po by Dr. Jason. Ganda po yung pagkaka-organize at kahit ilan lang po yung activities natin, nakita po natin dito kung ano pa talaga po. Mga nanalo, may mga natalo. Mahalaga is, sabi mo sir, is yung cohesiveness, yung teamwork ng bawat isa na ipalabas natin sa bawat members ng aviation. Yun lang po sir. Maraming salamat.
So for Coach Jason, Baby Jason, and team, I highly recommend, not just here in Batangas, but also kung saan man ng kayong team building, you can contact them sa kanilang page or directly kay Sir Jason dahil 100% recommended ang kanilang service, and also the highlight of our team building activity is that the relationship, the attitude, and the building of camaraderie and team building personality sa aming company. And yun lang, 100% yung recommendation ko kay Sir Jason, and super unforgettable moment ng team building namin ngayon dahil ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng facilitator. But overall, Team Jason and team recommended 100%.
Apektuhan sana ng in positive way yung aming organization. Napakagaling at napaka-solid nito ni Sir Jason. Mare-recommend ko to sa iba pang mga co-HRs na magpapa-team building din.
It was fun. Tapos yung na-achieve yung goals namin, no? Na yung camaraderie, teamwork, tapos yung processing is very important.
Okay, sa facilitator and kay Sir J, good job, and as you say, talagang maganda yung pagkakagawa ng mga events. And then, we really appreciate talaga yung mga pag-games nila. Talagang lahat merong meaning. Every games, there's a catch na kaya pala namin ginagawa isang bagay kasi it's for own benefit talaga. Yun.
Very engaging and very happy naman and fun yung naging team building namin. Especially kay Coach Orlin sa host kasi po, very engaging siya on how he talks. And nalilift up niya yung spirit namin, yung ambience ng team building namin to participate. So, and beside that, yung mga na-ready po na activities is very fun and challenging po para sa amin.